Now, this is truly an interesting product for everyone who's interested in spatial computing. This is the InAir 2 Elite Bundle, and this is actually a spatial computer consisting of AR glasses. You see them here, a little player that can play Android apps, and here a keyboard. And altogether, this is the InAir 2 Elite Bundle. And this is going to set you back $799. So for everyone who doesn't want to spend like $4,000 on an AVP, on an Apple Vision Pro, or $2,000 for a Galaxy XR, and who doesn't like these huge glasses, this actually might be a pretty interesting alternative. And because I was so surprised by the quality of this and how complete this package is, this video is completely dedicated to the unboxing experience, because that is truly something that I was surprised about how good this is. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this goodness is coming up. And here we go. This is how the InAir 2 Elite Suite will arrive at your doorstep. And I'm telling you, you're in for a wild ride. This is one of the most impressive unboxings I've ever done here on the channel. This is so complete and, well, so high quality. I was truly surprised. So let's have a look at the InAir 2 Elite Suite. When you unbox it, the first thing you'll see is this here. Quite a nice presentation in my opinion. And yeah, obviously the main thing here in the middle, the glasses and the lens inserts that you can bring to your optician to get lens inserts made for you. Yeah, on the left you have the L size and S size nose pad for the bigger and the smaller noses. And yeah, everything is very nicely laid out in front of us here. Then on the right we have the InAir Pod. These are the brains of this whole suite. So with this, you can play your Android apps on 6 displays, on 6 virtual displays. The highest number of all of these kind of suites that are out there. Very cool. So yeah, let's start here with the Pod. And it has like a little display. It's a little monochrome display that will show you the status of the device, and also, interestingly, it has a built-in AI, and when you dictate your questions, the text will appear there and also the answers of the AI. It is pretty interesting. So yeah, you can look forward to the full review. There's so many things to unpack here and unbox. That's why I first did this unboxing only. So many things. Yeah, here you can see the display in action. Like when you charge it, you will see it here on the display. So that is the player where all your Android apps will be inside, and also there's going to be like a mouse. Yeah. So let's have a look at the headset. Instead of a display, you're simply going to wear this headset. And yeah, we've seen these kind of glasses quite a bit now, right? From Rokit, X-Real, and all these companies. And for this here, what's interesting, you also have electrochromatic dimming, like what the other headsets also have, like many of them. But the cool thing here, that the adjustment is continuous. So you don't only have like 3 levels of electrochromatic dimming, but continuous stepless dimming. And how that is being used in the headset and in the suite is pretty ingenious. So yeah, again, you can look forward to that review. It's pretty interesting. All right, so now let's have a look here at the temple arms. And well, on the bottom here, on the bottom left, there is a rocker that's used for brightness settings. And overall on this side here, this is actually a touchpad. And with that touchpad, you can set the electrochromatic dimming. And as you can tell here right now, you can also change the angle. So you will always find the right angle to see the picture in the very best way. Yeah, and for the displays, they are 1080p displays like we've seen them so often. now, and it's the bird bath technology that we know by now that reflects the image back to the user's eyes. Okay, so that is the AR headset. This here is the lens insert. You can go to your local optician and ask them to do the lens inserts for you, or much better, you simply pay $50 more, so then it's going to be $849 for the whole package, and they directly send you the right lens inserts with your prescription, and I would say go for that instead. Okay, yeah, here the nose pads, different sizes, they have them, very good. That is the first layer. Let's have a look now at the second layer. It's the InAir touchboard. This is the keyboard. We're going to unbox it in a moment. And just check out this very beautiful manual. Yeah, I didn't even get this kind of manual when I got my AVP. It's so nice and well done, super high quality, and they will even tell you how they did the whole design and their whole approach, and they will teach you how to use this device very nicely. Now let's go to the third layer of this and have a look what's in here before we unbox the keyboard. So here we have the cables. This is the USB-C DisplayPort cable. This is the InAir wakey key. What this is, I'm going to tell you in a moment. And also the InAir hub. And also what this is, I will tell you in a moment. Wow, this is so complete, this thing. And then we even have one more layer. And this is the case where you can put all the things into, and then you can take this with you on your travels. But this is it. This was the last layer, the fourth layer. So now let's have a look at the cables. This is the cable to connect the glasses to the pod, to the player. And you can also use it to connect your glasses, of course, to your Steam Deck or to your ROG Ally or to your iPhone, right? All these kind of things. This is the hub, and that allows you to charge the devices that are connected to the glasses while you're using it, right? So you don't have to worry about energy, about power. Very good. Then, this is interesting, the InAir wakey, because with that suite, you can actually stream your computer. You can stream your actual home computer to that suite, and with that wakey thing, you can remotely wake up your computer in order to stream your home computer to that suite wherever you are. And that is so crazy. I'm telling you, what they came up with, these ideas are actually really well thought through. And it's a complete package to do work remotely with that suite in XR. Yeah, and now let's have a look here at the InAir touchboard. And what it is, well, it is a keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard that also has a touchpad. Here we go. And yeah, this is also a nice keyboard that fits obviously very well into the case. And the touchpad, it also has like gestures, just like we know it from from the Mac, for example. Like I could use my 3 fingers gestures just as I do it on my MacBook Air, and yeah, that was very nice to see. Also, really nice quality. Here, USB-C to charge it, and the on-off button here. Yeah, so very good that a keyboard is directly part of this. So yeah, like my Apple Vision Pro, I like to use it as well for work, and you have to get your own keyboard, but here the keyboard is already in the suite, part of the suite. Yeah, cool. So also, of course, here is like a little manual for the keyboard. Everything is complete. And that's basically it. So let's put it all together. Let's open up that nice case. There's space for everything. Here in the middle part, that's where the cable goes, the cable that connects the glasses with the pod. And then next thing, the keyboard. It fits perfectly into this, of course. Yeah, just like this. And then, of course, we have the pod here where all your Android apps live. And that also is actually an Air mouse. Yeah, I'll show you everything in the review. And then we have the glasses which fit in here. So a complete bundle, everything for $799. And I can tell you already, this works really well. You're getting like 6 displays that float in front of you. The 3DOF works very nicely. And you know what? I'm looking forward to show you more of the operating system and how well everything works. Really well thought through, I must say that. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, do that now so that you don't miss any more content. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye. The company says that this is the world's first spatial computer, which is probably a bit of a hyperbole, but nevertheless, this is pretty wild. So,